Good afternoon, children. Hope you're all good. So, I'm your science teacher, Mrs. Neelu Gaur. So, as you know, children, that rainy season started, no? So, it looks good also. Everywhere you can see the greenery, it's raining. But at the same time, you often see or you often hear your mother saying that don't go outside and play in the rain. Do take care of yourself and do not sleep in the AC, do not drink cold water, do not have ice creams or cold drinks. So why she is saying all these things to you, children? So that you can be safe and healthy. Otherwise, what will happen? You will become unwell or you may become sick. So children, our today's lesson is also about the condition in which we will not feel well, okay? Or if something which is not good for us, for our health. So what is that called if you are not feeling well? Yes, it is called as a disease. So our today's lesson is about the disease. So see, this is one girl and she's sneezing and she has put one handkerchief or one tissue paper on her nose. It means if you see this picture and you can easily identify that this girl is not well. See, the things around her are also showing tissue paper, this thermometer, some medicines. Okay, so it means if any condition will feel you uneasy, will make you uneasy, you are not feeling well, okay, then it means there is some disease in your body. Okay, now this is the symptom. If I say, if you see this picture, then you can easily identify this girl is having cold and cough. Now, if you see this picture, see this man is holding his stomach. Okay, so what does it mean? It shows that this man is having a stomach pain. Okay, because he is holding his stomach. So all these things. Okay, now if you see this picture, there are some red spots on the body, on the chest, on the hands, near the eyes. So all these things, whatever pictures I showed you, the girl which is sneezing, the man who is holding the stomach and all these things, it means that there is something inside our body which is not making you feel well. So you are not feeling well, you are feeling uneasy, and all these things are called as a disease. So disease means any unhealthy thing in our body. Okay, so disease means if you see in your book also this definition is given, a disease is an unhealthy thing which is happening in our body. See, if you are healthy, you won't feel uneasy. But if there is something inside your body, then automatically it will show on your body and you will not feel well. So that condition is known as disease. So children, whatever pictures I showed you, like this picture if you see, there are some rashes in the body. Okay, there are some rashes in the body. The previous picture also, the girl's nose become red in color. Even if you sneeze or cough, then what will happen? Your eyes and your nose, they will become reddish in color. You will have headache also. Okay, so as I told you, our today's lesson is about a disease. But how will you identify that your body is having any disease? Okay, so as I showed you the pic, there are rashes in the body, there is a headache, there is a stomach ache, the nose will become red, the eyes will become red, or there will be a running nose. So all these things which are abnormal, which you don't notice every day, these things are abnormal. So these things will show you that there is something unhealthy in your body. So all these are called as a signs or the symptom of the disease. See, okay. So symptoms mean any external sign in your body, not internal sign, any external sign like the swelling somewhere in the body, the running nose, and the rashes in your body, or the redness of the eyes or the nose. All these things are called as the signs or the symptoms. What are they called? They are called the sign or the symptoms. Okay, children? And if your body is showing any kind of symptom, if your body is showing any kind of symptom, children, it means you are caught with some disease. There is a disease in your body. It shows a disease. So, see children, now what are the things which you learned till now? That what is a disease? So, a disease is an unhealthy thing which is happening in your body as well as the mind also. Okay. And how will you know that there is some disease in your body? There are some signs which are shown by your body. So those external signs which are shown by your body, they are called as the symptoms. Okay. So if you are showing, if your body is showing any symptom, then only you came to know that you are suffering from any disease. So now what you will do? Suppose you wake up in the morning, okay, and you are feeling that there is a running nose and you are having the swelling or your eyes are red. It means they are showing the symptoms that there is something unhealthy in your body. Then what you will do? You will immediately go to the doctor. Now what the doctor will do? Doctor will not immediately give you the medicine. First of all, doctor will find out that what this disease is. So what the doctor will do, mainly he will check your heartbeat with the stethoscope, or they will check even your pulse also with his hands, and then he will put the thermometer in your mouth or your armpit to check your temperature. Okay, so what are all these things called? What the doctor is doing, checking your temperature, or he may ask you to take the blood test. So all these things are called as diagnosis. So diagnosis means to identify the disease. See, if you go to the doctor, it doesn't mean the doctor will give you any medicine by seeing only the symptoms. Then doctor has to find out that what is this disease. So to find out that disease, okay, with the help of either the blood test or by checking your pulse rate or your heartbeat, that is called as diagnosis. Okay, children, this is known as diagnosis. So when we come to the diseases, children, there are some diseases which spread from one person to another person. And those diseases are called as communicable diseases. See, it is written here. The diseases that are spread from one person to the another are called communicable diseases. As you know, there are germs everywhere surrounding you. They are in the air also, the water which you are drinking, the food which you are eating, the chair on which you are sitting. So germs are everywhere. So if any disease is spread through these germs, okay, then those diseases are called as communicable diseases because they spread from one person to another, and diseases are catching, means they catch from one person to another, and they are caused by the germs or pathogens. So what are those germs? The germs, they may be bacteria also, they may be viruses also, they may be fungi also, or some kind of worms also. Okay, children? So, see, the disease may spread by the contact, if you see this picture, by hand to hand, or it may spread with the help of some insects also. Okay, it may spread by drinking water or by the contaminated food. So there are various mode of communicable, because these are communicable diseases. So how they are spreading also, there are various ways by which these diseases spread from one person to another. Okay, so like this, some of the diseases, they spread directly through the air. Okay, so the germs are there everywhere in the air, they will spread through the air. So if you sneeze, then your germs with the air, through the air, they will go from you to another person. Then, for example, common cold or the flu. Then some diseases, they spread with the contaminated water or food. Okay, example, cholera. The cholera is spread from one person to another if you drink contaminated water or you eat contaminated food. Then there are some diseases which is spread through the insect. Means if the insect bite the person who is having a dengue or a chikungunya, and if it bite the another person, then it will spread from one person to another through the insect. So we can say there are the airborne diseases, then there are waterborne diseases, and there are vector-borne diseases. Airborne diseases which is spread through the air. Waterborne diseases which is spread through the water. And then vector-borne diseases. Vector-borne means either through the mosquitoes or the flies. Okay, children? So today what we have learned, that what is a disease? Okay, means any unhealthy thing happening in our body. Then what are the symptoms? Means the signs which are shown by the body, external signs. Then what is diagnosis? Means what, when doctor find out that what is the disease, either through checking your pulse or through a stethoscope or through the blood test. So that is known as diagnosis. Then we have learned about the communicable diseases. Means those diseases which is spread from one person to another. It may be airborne like common cold and flu. It may be waterborne diseases like cholera, or a vector-borne diseases like chikungunya and dengue. So now what you have to do, just after this video, you open your textbook and read the first 2 pages of the lesson for diseases. And then you have to write in your HW 2 diseases each. 2 diseases which spread through air, 2 diseases that spread through water, and 2 diseases that spread through an insect or a housefly or any kind of insect. Okay, children? So read your book, and then in the next lesson, in the next part of this video, we are going to discuss how to prevent yourself from diseases and also the non-communicable diseases. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a good day.